Hello, thank you always for being here. Actually, it's another kind of time that we have to appreciate the love that we have it here at the village. And here, this is our calf here. We have like two of them. This is the jerrycan that we usually bucket that we usually use to give the cows water. And this is a bee that is just is inside. And this is the calf here saying boo, boo. And that is the mama, the mom of this calf here. You can see even the color. Usually here at the village, we can't complain otherwise. You have to, maybe you're gonna do zero grazing, or you're gonna do like you tie it somewhere and then you bring the food to the cow just like that. So these are the washroom here. These are the washroom here. So we don't know. We usually use here. This is our toilet here, washroom. Like it's a heap of firewood. Also, this is another washroom here. So this is like the chickens. We are rearing the chickens here. Yo, I don't want to open them. Usually when you have spread the firewood, we have to put them, to heap them somewhere like this one here, so that they continue getting dry. And those are the stems of the corn. So we heap them there. They can be given to the cows, or if the cows cannot eat them, we can give them to we can heap them and like get them like manure. Also there is some bananas. What's up, this your girl here. So I was just looking where we have such a houses like at my home. We don't have such a houses. Actually they have lost like value. That's what I can say. They have lost like value, and this one is the best house. But then they usually prefer it like if someone puts, if it is on fire, everything gonna go. That's what this is. But then we have here we have like this is a window. This is the window. Also, that's it's like an L, like it has been built like that. Those are the catchment area of our of water. Catchment area, you can see water inside. So it's such a, you have to put it on a sliding way so that when the water comes, it comes straight to the drum. Yeah, it's a local way. Actually, we are supposed to be put like something here. You build across here so that the water comes straight. Over around, you can also build a tank like, yeah. Hello, what's up, guys? Here we are again. Thank you for always being here. Actually, I brought you here. This is our washroom here. When you see two doors, that means that one is the toilet and the other one is like a washing room. So here, actually, you may see that there is a stick here, but this stick is used just to hold the door. When you open it, just open like that, and this is how it is here. This is the village life. And this jerrycan here is just for putting some water, maybe where of washing the toilet after you have used it, and then you close like this. Also, this is a bathroom. This is a bathroom, but it has you close it with a nail, yeah, and then you open it. It's not that good. That's how the village is. But jerrycan, I don't know what is it for. So this is the village life. Uh, I don't know what, you can leave a comment if this is and I was going to that house and then I'll show you inside how it is. Thank you so much. This is our kitchen here, and usually at the kitchen you can see that's where the finishing is of the kitchen, and we usually put the firewood on top here to for usual to dry, and yeah, there is some space, but then we have to fill like here. So from outside, I had already shown you where the window is, and these are the we use sawdust. These are the chicos that you usually use the sawdust. There are two of them. Like when you have sawdust, you have not to waste it unless you have this chico here, and this is our sufuria here. So let me open inside. Let me open inside. Wow, there is githeri, and usually githeri, that's corn and the beans. That's what we have to cook here. These are the cherry cans here. And then what I have to show you is this rope here. When you have someone like a child who is tampering with your things, you have to put your stuff like here to hold it like this. So this is in a safe place. There is no one, no child cannot reach here. If the child keeps on moving here and there, that is it. Sorry, this is something. Yeah, and this is where we keep when you have washed like the utensils and you have brought them from outside. We usually bring them or putting them in this tray here. Just some ventilation, like so that there is no smoke, too much smoke. Here it's supposed to be a switch, but it's like this spoil. But then you can really see some knives here. These are for cutting the when you are harvesting finger millet. We usually use this one here. You may say, ask why it is so dark because of the too much smoke, and when it's like this, it seems that it's very strong. Yeah, I was just explaining. You can see the finishing. If you have the one that with the iron sheet, it's not like this. But the one that is starts with grass, you have to finish it like that. That's the traditional way. Yeah. I was showing you here we have this is the sieve here. Here to finish this is the sieve, and we usually I don't know. You have to put cow dung here so that it will be strong, and you have to put. It's usually bought. This one is like $1 or $1.5 when you buy it from the Luo people. Yeah, and from behind here also you have to put cow dung. When you are just sieving like finger millet, it can't go down. And here this where we keep the small chicks here. Yeah, then we keep them like this so that when the sun is hot, they don't feel hot. Wow. And this is usually finger millet, and you have just like plant them like a line. This far how far it is from here. December, you're gonna find that it is ready. So I was just showing you around, and that side you put like corn. Usually corn here is the main cash crop, and people believe that eating ugari is the best here in the village. So like over there, you can see the boosters. That's our town, but then I'm far away from here.